black grill on a CE. Not my thing, but 67 has it. 2010 ICCE with the Max Force DT. Honestly, a terrible engine in my opinion, but okay, at least it works. Brown floor, brown seats, as per the norm for Monroe. Considering this bus's age, it actually works well, unlike the rest of the Max farts. Okay, it at least has storage up there, something I have not seen. Sitting down here, here's your tranny, you have clock in the stereo, here's all your switches, more storage, and your climate controls. It's got a Bluebird first aid kit, even though it's an ICCE. Here's all that information you need to know. So let's go on outside. From around this side, this bus has not changed from besides the grill, the last time we've seen this thing. It's just the same old C. Here's your Washington State Patrol inspection from 2024. And here's that wonderful black grill. It's maybe a little short, but hey, it's a CE.